Dang, YouTube, it's been, I'm always saying the same thing every time I come back. I decided to invite you guys back into my life and take you along for a vlog, a day in my life. Today I have quite an eventful day. I'm actually about to work out, but before I work out, I'm actually gonna drink some water because I was watching the Warriors game last night, so I was having some wine, so I have to rehydrate. And I also have been taking sea moss. I actually just made my own sea moss like a week ago or two. I posted on my Instagram if you guys follow me on there. But I've noticed like a difference in my energy and everything when I take sea moss. It actually gives me more energy than coffee, you guys, which is crazy. It just gives me like natural energy where I don't actually crash after. But anyway, enough talking. I'm just gonna be drinking some H2O. Say hello, Dash. It's been a minute, Dash. Hey, Dash, you don't listen to me? Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, wow, he's so big now. So sad. Guys, I don't know why he's so big now. He's about to be 1 next month, though, so. Guy hearts. Alright, I'm gonna get my sea moss. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so the lighting might not be great, but I'm trying here. It's usually a lot brighter, but it's kind of gloomy today, so it's not. But this is my sea moss. My pickle with it is that I made this myself, and I didn't get the texture quite right. It was my first time making it. And the one I had before this was store-bought, so the texture was a lot like better. It was like a lot creamier. This one is not that creamy. Like, it's creamy, but it has a little bit of chunks in it, so I literally have to like guzzle it down with water because I don't like the texture. But it's still so beneficial that I'm gonna eat it. All right, so some days I'll take a big old spoon like this. All right, this is one of those days because I actually forgot to take it yesterday, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it because I'm brave. It doesn't really taste like anything, but then it does have like a, it tastes like the ocean, but it's not salty. So I'm back in my studio and I'm about to get a workout in. I would show you guys my workout, but I'm saving that for another video, so stay tuned. Yeah, I'll just be back after my workout. Also, I have not eaten breakfast yet because I usually don't eat breakfast that early. Sometimes I do, but I like to work out before I eat, so that's why I have to hurry up and work out before my breakfast gets here. So, see you in a little bit. I am back from my workout. I have some things to tell y'all. Hold on. So I'm back from my workout. As you can see, I am super sweaty. My face is super flushed. So my workout got delayed. It is now 11:30. So I might not have as an eventful day as I thought because life. This has literally been my life for like the past 2 years, but I'm just I'm more level-headed now, so it's not as draining as it was, but it's still very frustrating. I just got some news from family that a few of them are sick, and so yeah. That's frustrating, but I still worked out because I had to. I'm just having a better mentality about things, and I have no control over these things, so I have to like know that I have no control. Okay, so these were my plans. Let me tell you my plans first. My plans were, I'm gonna have a little date. It's not really a date night because it's gonna be like late afternoon, but I guess a date, whatever. After there, I have an event at 8 p.m. in this city, so I'm thinking about not going to the event because I don't know. I have breakfast. I have an avocado toast from Dunkin' Donuts. I love their avocado toast. I know it's weird because it's like Dunkin' Donuts, but when they came out with it, I tried it and I really liked it, so I get that from time to time. I love avocado toast. I am that person that has avocado toast in the morning. It preferably with some lox on the side. I also have a decaf. I didn't want to do the caffeine because I feel like it would spike my anxiety right now, and because there are things going on, I actually am a little bit shaky right now, but because there are things going on, I don't want to do that to myself. I've learned my lessons, so I got a decaf because I wanted the taste of coffee still, and I might not even drink all of it anyway, but I just wanted to tell you guys what I have for breakfast because I'm about to go eat. I have a bunch of updates for you guys because, as I said, it's been a long time and life has been happening and it's been great, so I just don't want to ramble on, so I'm not going to. So I'll see you guys later. I'm back. I had to kind of like rush and get ready because we have to be there by a certain time. If you guys live in Brooklyn or New York City, you probably have heard of Lucali. I probably say it with like a Spanish accent because it sounds like a Spanish kind of name or whatever. But anyways, yeah, they're like a really popular pizza spot. They're actually considered the best in Brooklyn, if I'm not mistaken. So we've had pizza from Baby Luke's. I feel like I've mentioned Baby Luke's on my YouTube before. We've had pizza from there, and that's like, they own the same, they just opened up and they own Baby Luke's, and Baby Luke's you can get like the slices and stuff, but at Lucali's you have to actually go wait on a line. They don't take reservations and stuff. So anyways, long story short, I've had their pizza before and it's delicious, but I never sat at the actual restaurant, so I'm excited about that. And I was gonna say something else. I didn't get to do my nails. I was gonna paint them, but I didn't get to because I had to do everything else. I painted my toenails though. My toenails are cute. And I did really light makeup. It might look like a lot, but it's really not a lot at all. You can still see my like acne scars and stuff. And I'm wearing the blue jumpsuit that I got from Rotita. You guys have seen that haul by now because I think that was like my last video uploaded on here. Hi guys, so I am back from Lucali's and I'm a bit lit because we had a bottle of wine, but it was delicious. I definitely recommend if you're ever going, if you live in New York City and you haven't been, definitely recommend. So you have to go there since it was the first time. Since it was my first time, I'll explain the process, but you have to go there at 4 or somebody has to go there at 4. Like honestly, I would recommend even being there a little bit earlier than 4 because we got there around like 3:45 I think, and there were people on the line already. Like it was kind of like at the end of the block, which it wasn't too many people, but yeah. So you have to be there at that time to put your name on the wait list, and then that's kind of like their reservation. Like you would say, like they open at 5, so we just chose 5. Yeah, it was really good. We actually brought some leftovers home because that was a lot. It was really a lot. So now what I'm about to do is I have to take this quick promo picture for a company, a brand, and then I might get ready to go to that event, freshen up my makeup a little bit, and get ready to go to that event in the city. And the event is at the Color Factory. I think I have a Color Factory vlog on here. I can't remember. But it's they're hosting an event for another brand, so it should be pretty cool. Right now I'm just focused on getting this picture done, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay you guys, so I am now ready to head out. I had a quick outfit change. I'm ready to go. I'm actually really late. I'll vlog when I get there. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am back home. You guys seen the last few clips. After the event, we went to a bar and then we just went to hang out at Battery Park City because it was kind of close, and I am really tired now. It's been such a long day. It is currently 11:18. They gave us a little goodie bag, so I'm gonna share it with you guys really quick. So Mixers is like a supplement, a woman's supplement brand, and I've never heard of them until today. It was really cool to learn about Mixers because as a woman myself, obviously, it was it really struck a chord with me because I've been dealing with hormonal issues for the past, honestly, my cycles, and this for the ladies because I know guys get a little weird listening to these kinds of things, but it's always been super painful, and I've had it since I was really young, and it's just gotten like really painful. Over the past year, I've actually been struggling with my hormones a lot, and that was part of the health issues that I had over the past year. But anyways, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna show you guys a little goodie bag that I got. Okay, so we got this goodie bag, and it says this one's for the girls, and then it has their Mixers logo at the bottom, and then it comes with 3 packets of their supplements. So first one is Her Greens, and it's a dietary supplement. It's health maintenance, it supports organ function, and it detoxes and replenishes, and it has 15 on-the-go packs of assorted flavors. So that's one. This one is Her Power, and it is a mind and mood support. It supports concentration, energy, and focus. I probably need that. Hopefully it can replace my coffee. And then this one's the one I'm most excited about. And this one is a nutritional support for your hormonal health. And it helps with cramps, mood, and bloating. And I need all of that. So I'm really excited to try those. I will let you guys know. I want to try it when I'm on my cycle to see if it really does help, because I like putting things to the test. If you claim to cure or help me with my cramps, then I'm gonna hold you to it because I'll be going through it, y'all. But anyways, that was a really dope event. I had a really good time being outside because I don't go outside a lot. I mean, I do, but yeah, you guys know it's been a journey for me. I'm just gonna end this vlog here because it's been a long one. I think I have enough footage to entertain you guys, hopefully. I hope you guys enjoyed 12 hours in my day, 12 hours in my life. Over 12 hours in my life, actually. I'm so tired. You can hear my voice is like a little raspy and everything. So I'm gonna take off my makeup, shower, and go to bed. And thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy to be back. I love you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Too much pain up in this bank, can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches tried to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund life, cause these bitches be playing. Too much pain up in this bank, can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches tried to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fund life, cause these bitches be playing. They don't want you to win, they want you to lose. Gotta keep it quiet when you bustin' your moves. Feelin' got me aching. I'm so cold because